This is the ThinkNode M1 LoRa Transceiver, a compact and versatile device designed for use with Meshtastic networks and long-range communication setups. It's built around the nRF52840 chip and uses the SX1262 wireless module, which is commonly used for low-power, long-range communication. This makes it a practical option for off-grid messaging, outdoor activities, or building your own mesh network. One feature I like is the built-in GPS, which allows you to share location data across the network. That can be especially useful for hiking, camping, or coordinating with others in areas without cellular coverage. The 1.54-inch EPD screen is another highlight. Since it's an e-paper display, it's easy to read in bright sunlight and uses very little power, helping extend battery life. Speaking of power, it includes a 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery designed to support longer usage between charges. It also comes with a protective case, which adds some durability if you're planning to use it outdoors or on the go. Overall, this device is a solid choice for anyone interested in Meshtastic or LoRa communication, offering a balance of portability, useful features, and efficient power usage in a compact design.